Hello guys, so now let's compress our image. We are getting the images with a big size, so let's just compress them. For that, let's come back to our PubDev. Let's minimize. We search for Flutter image compress. This one, let's click on it, and then let's come down, let's go to installation, let's copy it, let's go to our application, PubDev, paste that and run pubget. Okay, that is done. Let's minimize and close it. Next thing to do now is to come to our chat provider. Here, let's create that method. So first, let's come back to our browser. Let's go on README. If we come down here, let's say we have the method, this one here. This says compress a file and get a file. So let's copy this one. Come back to our application and down here, let's paste it. So let's just import this package and then, okay. So for the quality, maybe let's change it to about 90, and then the rotation, we don't want to rotate our image, so we can just remove that. Then we don't want to print anything, let's remove that. On the result, let's add a now check here. Okay, so just like this, we are compressing the image. The next thing to do now is just to call this compressing image, where are we getting our file? Here. So here, after we get the file, before we generate a name, maybe let's compress it here. So here we're going to say await. What's this method here? So it says test compression. Let's change this to just compress and get file. So let's say compress and get file. So for the file path, we will get the same file path here. Let's copy that and paste it here, and then this compressed file, let's assign it to our new file. So here we'll say file, and then we'll say compressed file will be equals to this. So now, instead of using this file that we have here to send to Firebase, we are going to use our compressed file. So to test this, so that you guys can see the difference, we can check the file size of this one and this one. So for that, let's maybe create a method to check the file size of this file. So let's come down here. Let's just create a quick method of checking the file size. Say double get file size. Get file size. Let's have a file here, and then say int size, let's say size bytes, and then this will be equal to our file on top, file dot length sync. It's like this, length sync, this one. And then let's now get the double again. Let's name this as a size in MB, like that. And then let's say size bytes. We want to divide this by our image, which is in 1024 by 1024, like that. And then let's now just return the size in MB. So this method returns a file size. So to check which one is bigger between this and the compressed one, we can just add the print statements here. Let's say size 1. In size 1, let's print just that file on top. Or we need to get our method here, get file size. So we say get file size, and then we put our file here. Then let's just copy this, paste it one more time. Here let's say size 2. Then here let's get our compressed file size. So like this, we'll be able to print the sizes, and then we'll see how much we have compressed. So here, instead of using this file, let's use our compressed file. Then let's restart the application. So let's just wait for this image to load. As we know, it's quite big. It's a 3 MB. So the image has loaded. Let's go to the image generation, and then let's try to generate. So here let's say a simple thing, again something like a teddy bear portrait. Let's try to load this. So we got the image. Okay, we have an error instant of compress error. Let's see what's wrong with our compression method. This is actually just fine. We copied it from the method there. Let's see how we are calling it. Oh yeah, on the directory here, we need to name this as 2 because we already have image on this file here. So this one we need to change it. So okay, that is fixed. Let's first of all remove this in our Firestore. Let's come back to our Firestore. Again, minimize. Let's come back to charts. Where is our new message? This one, let's delete this. Go and bring back our application. Okay, Then let's go to our application and run it again. Let's go on images. While it's loading, we can just type portrait. So let's try it now. We've got the image. Okay, so the compression is done. You can see that this size 1, it's 3 MB. Then after we compressed on size 2 here, this is the size. So that's a huge difference. So we are saving a lot here. So here is our portrait, and then if we come to our Firestore, let's go to the storage. Let's minimize this. Then if we go to images, we've got the second image, because you can see that the size now is our acceptable size that we need, not this 3 MB. So that's great. That's what we want. And then the next thing is we have proved that the compression is actually better. So let's remove this, and then we can also comment this because we're not using it anywhere. It was just for testing the size. Then we are sending the compressed file. So that's it in this video. In the next one, we need to try to cache our images to our local storage so that we don't take time to load our images. We only load them once. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.